Hey guys, it's Kane, also known as Bop Master 8. Excuse me. Today, I'm going to show you a code that I made back in May 2019 as a final project for my Intro to Computer Science class. So what I did was I had to use a program called repel.it, and it was a Python program where you can make different kinds of code and different lines of code. So this I made out of my final project. I made a Bop It Extreme. So I'm going to run the code and I'll show you what to do here. So it says, are you ready to bop it? Here's what you got to do. You got to press G on the keyboard to bop it, press Z to twist it, press M to pull it, press U to spin it, press Q to flick it. After you do your command, press enter. Make sure you have caps lock on. The first 5 commands in the game are practice and will not be scored. Ready? Press G, then enter to start. So it's pretty much like it's in the shape of Bop It XT because you got G in the middle, Z where the twisted is. Like if you hold a Bop It Extreme like this, it has twist it here, pull it here, spin it here, and flick it here, and bop it in the middle. So I'm going to try and play this. My high score is 15, but I had a friend, one of my buddies from my class, he got a high score on, he got like 48. And it's been at least a year since I played this, so we'll see what happens. So G, then enter. So bop it, twist it, pull it, spin it, flick it, bop it, pull it, twist it, bop it, pull it, flick it, twist it, flick it, pull it, flick it, twist it, flick it, pull it, bop it, spin it, bop it, pull it, flick it, twist it, flick it, twist it, flick it, twist it, bop it, spin it, twist it, flick it, spin it, flick it, bop it, pull it, twist it, I got it messed up. So I got 40. And 40 is not bad since I haven't played this in a long time. So the time for this is 3 seconds, and the time will, it's like what this is the kind of code that you make for a computer, like to program a computer in computer programming. So I will show you the line of code. It's kind of like the behind the scenes look. But first I will run the code again. And if I do this, bop it, twist it, pull it, spin it, flick it, and then I wait about 3 seconds, it says you were too slow, game over. So that is the code, or this is what you see in a code, like the result of the code. But I'm going to reveal to you the code that I used. So, and I made this in like 2 weeks in my computer science class when I was a junior. So there's a bunch of lines of code. There were 53 lines of code. So \n is new line. Elif is else if, and then there's you have different variables for commands, or commands are variables, and I start the score at 0, and game over is 0, and so then when you get a bop it command correct, you have the score +1. So this is then random rand int is random integer, between 0 and 4. So I have bop it as 1, okay, so the commands, instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like bop it is 1, twist is 2, and so on, bop it is 0, twist it is 1, pull it is 2, spin it is 3, and flick it is 4. And then you would have to randomize, it would randomize all of the commands. So it would be play turn is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and its bop it is 0, so it'll choose between 0 and 4. And that is pretty much how you get the bop it to play a different command, is it randomizes the commands from 0 to 4. And the score plus 1, and let's see, oh, I have it when you get to 100, you beat the game. So that says, wow, you beat Bop It. But if it says score less than 100, then it will say the score when you are done with the game. And then, yeah, if the command matches, like if the letter matches here, it will add 1 to your score. So that is pretty much the code that I made when I was a junior. This was my final project in the second semester of my junior year. And I'm pretty proud of this. It was kind of hard, but I got through it. And look at me now. I graduated high school a couple weeks ago. So that is pretty much the code for the Bop It Extreme that I made. So thank you guys for watching, and I know this was kind of confusing, but I appreciate you guys staying for this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!